Welcome, in front of me is a Zenfone 8, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's open up settings, scroll down to system, select reset options, and then erase all data, factory reset. And this page will give you an information that performing this procedure will basically remove everything from your device. So if there's anything that you'd like to keep, photos, music, documents, then you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. Now, assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on erase all data. If you have some kind of protection, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, I do have a pattern set, and once you confirm it, you can tap on erase everything again, and this will begin the process. So let's give it a couple of minutes. It will do its thing, and once it's finished, we'll be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.